the first rates then, and seems like once again it's a very mildly quiet kind of start. We're holding on to that 26,000 mark on the Nifty spot. The breath is open nicely. That's well in favor of the advances, but not much of a move from Nifty Bank, because that also has started off just relatively very flat as we speak right now. What's the sectoral leader then? Even the Nifty IT move is a lot more tempered. Metals as well flat right now. So you're not really seeing any sectoral jump, so to speak, in that sense. Nifty Auto, we should bring up that one up for you, and the Nifty Realty as well. Again, flat pretty much across the board for various sectors. The newsmakers then, they're scams. They're targeting that non-mutual fund revenue of about 20% for by FY27. Look out for that stock. PB Fintech in advanced stage of discussion on new model. The announcement, of course, is going to come out perhaps pretty soon. Remember, they've been contemplating exploring plans to enter the healthcare space now. That stock has gapped 3% lower for PB Fintech as we speak. In 5-star, that's seen a block deal. It seems that PE investors were looking at selling up a sizable stake in this one. So look out for what this stock does. 19% equity is what we understood is going to be the quantum of the block. Trend, after that city initiation and a target price of 92.50, that stock 7,800 on Trent, 2.5% higher and still counting upwards on that stock.
Real estate as a pack has opened in the green, so we're watching out for that. In fact, one of the top sectoral gainers with Prestige Estate leading the group at with a gain of around 3% on that one. Sona Comstar is the other one which has started with a 3% jump up. Signature Global, another company from the entire real estate pack, is 3% higher. We're also watching out for Rainbow Children's, Minda. These are some of the stocks in focus. On the losing end, PB Fintech continues to slide, so that stock is down another 2.5% today. Crompton, that channel check is a bit weak, talking about tepid demand on Onam, expected to pick up in the second half, but so far not so good, so that's why that stock is open in the red. Manappuram, Kajaria, Hero MotoCorp, these are some of the other names which are in the red right now. So a bit of a tempered start for the trading session, but there are pockets which are outperforming, of course.
Yeah, there are, and that would be a little bit of IT, real estate. By and large, those sectors seem to be holding out quite decently, while metals continues to remain on the back foot, and the Nifty Bank as well, very quiet around the 54,000 mark. Let's get in those first trades going as well. What is it that our chartists are picking out on expiry day? Kunal?
So, flat start for the indices, expected the same for the Nifty because it's the expiry day. In terms of opening trade, I would look at metal stocks, and Vedanta is something which over the last few days is also closing in towards a multi-week, multi-month breakout about the 500 mark. So, I think at 475, 480 where it's trading, so looks like a very attractive buy.
Naresh, let's understand what exactly you're tracking for the day, your first trade.
So again, looking at metals, Hindalco closer to 710, 715 would be a good band to get in.
There comes a time when your heart calls for you to arise. Plant your feet solid into the ground. Decide your own limits. And then break right through them. Become something more. It's my time to rise.